Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have a really nice old aluminum block petrol lighter. This one with a ribbed design. Front, back, and the front and back spines. This is made by JOSEPHSON and Sharp in Glendale, California. This is the Sharpo aluminum block petrol lighter. Also a roller lighter. You see the nice fluted file roller. Have some really helpful machining done here to the front of the snuffer that allows your thumb to gain purchase, to lift that snuffer when it is time to ignite the lighter. This lighter also shows plenty of wear, scuffs, scratches, finish wear, carbon buildup. It has been cleaned somewhat, and the wick is original, but is charred up pretty good and otherwise contaminated. Not a clean looking wick at all. It burns a little bit wonky, spits and sputters a bit, but for the most part seems to do its job. The fill screw in this particular lighter is marked really well. It's marked JOSEPHSON and Sharp, Sharpo, Glendale, CALIF for California. Does show some wear on the fuel screw. Does still have a fuel gasket. And while it is threaded as though it should have a spare flint compartment, there is not one present. See the wadding, which is not packed in there too tight. As I said, the original wick. The Sharpo is one of the more well designed and produced of the aluminum block petrol lighters. Definitely marked better than most of them. But the machining also is very nice. You can see that the pin that holds the snuffer in place has been machined into the lighter basically. It appears as though the pin was put in place and then the lighter ribs were machined to give it that design, and also help that pin to blend in and not stand out as though it's just a piece of metal that's been driven from one side through to the other. This lighter does show other wear, scuff, scratches, some grime. We talked about the carbon buildup around the chimney or ignition area. Some wear here to the back of the snuffer. Really a nice lighter, and I'm a big fan of aluminum block petrol lighters in general. And you all know that the Penguin Cygnus are my favorite. But Sharpo are right up there. Maybe my second favorite of the branded aluminum block petrol lighters. This one not made in Japan like the Cygnus, but right here in America on the West Coast. I don't know exactly where Glendale is located in California, but obviously California is on the west coast of the United States. And a really cool lighter. You know, aluminum block petrol lighters are kind of prone at times, it seems, to looking unfinished or maybe designs that aren't all that well thought out. And you just don't have that case with the Sharpo. It is machined very precisely, very attractively. Typically, if they don't light on one turn, they're going to light on the next. A lot like the Cygnus in that regard. They're very good igniters. Not a lighter that you're going to crank away on that wheel and not have it light up for you. So whoever designed it, Mr. Josephson or Mr. Sharp, knew something about what he was doing. Perhaps it was both of them. Perhaps one was the money man. Maybe they did some other kind of business. Maybe lighters were ancillary in those years after World War II, when aluminum was in surplus and readily available for these kinds of projects. And like I said, the Sharpo is not a lighter that somebody just came up with a quick idea and started spitting them out. Aesthetics be damned. No, the Sharpo lighter is very attractively ribbed on all sides. Like I said, not the top, not the bottom. But on the bottom you're going to find a lot of information, where most aluminum block petrol lighters are not even marked as to who manufactured them. At least on the fuel screw for the Sharpo, you have not only the company that made it, but the name of the lighter itself, along with the location where the lighter was produced, and a very attractively knurled fuel screw at that, to go along with the nice machining of the rib design of this vintage aluminum block roller petrol lighter. Until next time.